Hi everyone, today I'll demonstrate how easy it is to deploy a Spot virtual machine using the Emma platform. Starting Spot VM setup. First, navigate to All Projects and select the project where you'd like to add your Spot VM. Next, click on Spot Instances, then select Add Spot VM. Here you'll notice two convenient methods for deploying your Spot VM. Choosing Deployment Method. On the right-hand side, Emma provides cost and efficiency-based recommendations, automatically sorted by increasing cost, to simplify your selection process. Alternatively, you can manually configure the Spot VM to suit your specific needs. Let's walk through this process now. Manual configuration and deployment. I'll select a region in North America and then choose Amazon EC2 as the provider. Now, I'll adjust the VM configuration by specifying the desired number and type of CPUs. Emma presents a list of available virtual machines matching my criteria. I'll select one from these options, then click Next Step to configure the security settings. After reviewing the security group details and making any necessary changes, simply click Deploy Spot Instance to complete the setup. And that's it! You've successfully deployed a Spot VM with Emma in just a few easy steps.